So let's start with bar chart straight away. So bar chart, right? So bar chart essentially, as I told you earlier also, that bar chart needs one. So let's go to this show me, and let's hover around bar chart, right? So it says that it needs zero or more dimension, and it needs one measure. So the moment I select, say, one dimension, for example, product subcategory, right, and I say product subcategory, and then I say a measure, which is a, say, profit, for example, I get to see this bar chart, right, horizontal, and we saw that how can we make it vertical, right? And I also told you that how can you create a stacked bar chart. So suppose I now take, say, ship mode, for example, and put it on the color. You can see that uh, this is a legend. So each bar chart is stacked now, wherein the pink color represents regular air, the orange one represents express air, and the blue one represents delivery truck, right? If I just go to show me and click the third one, which is this, then this becomes a cluster bar or a side by side bar, wherein you see that the your ship mode is divided into three categories here, where so one is the delivery truck, the other is express air, and the third is a regular air, and corresponding to each category, you are seeing the subcategory products and their profit amount and their corresponding profits. So I'll name it as bar chart. Type of parameter which is called a set parameter. Okay, parameter using set. So let's let's name this as rename parameter using set. Okay, so let's start parameter using set. So I'm saying so we can create a visual first. So let's use product subcategory. Product subcategory, and I'm using, say, sale amount. Okay, I just put it in, say, some order. Okay, so I'm putting it in decreasing order. Okay, now this is just a basic visual. Now we create a parameter. Okay, so let me show you. So create a parameter, and let's fill these values in that parameter. So, and we are creating a new parameter whose name is set parameter. Okay, and we are using data type as integer. Okay, current value, let's leave like that, blank. Yeah, here current value. Okay, here display format is automatic, and again the list here. Okay, so here we mention in the value, we mention these 3, 5, and 10 different values, 3, 5, and 10. And in display, we write top 3, top 5, and top 10. And if you've done it, just press OK. And you have this parameter visible on the left side. You can show parameter, and this parameter gets reflected here. So it gives you three options: top 3, top 5, and top 10. So let's see what a dashboard means. Does it look like, and what are the implications for the dashboard? Storyline is like a batch. The way you create a PPT where you arrange your thoughts, you represent your thoughts in a series of PPT slides. So similarly, in dashboard, you can so if you have a theme which you want to convey to the audience, then you can create a storyline. It arrange multiple visuals in a sequence, and you can qualify it with whatever comments you want to do. So these are the things which we look at today. We will need to The same sheet which you were working on, same Tableau workbook, you will have to start, you will have to invoke. This is a visual which we had created. So now these are the different sheets which we have created. Now you can create a dashboard. So if you have to open a new worksheet, you can go to worksheet and new worksheet opens. Go new dashboard, a new dashboard opens for you. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Other is that on the below, besides the tabs, you had this option of adding a worksheet, and just adjacent to that, you have this option of adding a dashboard. So I'm just adding a dashboard from this place. It's just a dashboard, which now this is saying that it is a dashboard. I've opened a dashboard on my screen.
To learn more about Tableau, visit www.upskillcampus.com.